Here's some Cartographic Innovations trivia. Subscribe. Which projection distorts landmasses near the poles? Is it A, Mercator projection, B, Peters projection, C, Mollweide projection, or D, Robinson projection? The correct answer is A, Mercator projection. Who is known for the 1569 world map using a cylindrical projection? Is it A, Ptolemy, B, John Speed, C, Martin Waldseemüller, or D, Gerardus Mercator? The correct answer is D, Gerardus Mercator. Which ancient civilization developed the first known maps? Is it A, Incas, B, Babylonians, C, Mayans, or D, Romans? The correct answer is B, Babylonians. What feature shows geographic features on maps? Is it A, compass rose, B, scale, C, legend, or D, title? The correct answer is C, legend. Which technology is used for detailed mapping of surfaces? Is it A, sonar, B, 3D printing, C, GPS, or D, LiDAR? The correct answer is D, LiDAR. What is the process of creating a digital map called? Is it A, digitization, B, imaging, C, graphing, or D, plotting? The correct answer is A, digitization. What type of map allows for dynamic data visualization? Is it A, paper map, B, static map, C, interactive map, or D, graph chart? The correct answer is C, interactive map. Who created a famous map of the known world in 1507? Is it A, Ptolemy, B, Columbus, C, Martin Waldseemüller, or D, Mercator? The correct answer is C, Martin Waldseemüller. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.